In today's video, I have another amazing trend alert for you guys. This one is going crazy on TikTok right now and other platforms where people are actually turning their pictures into nice 3D montages. This looks super cool, and I'll be showing you exactly how you can do this. I'm going to be showing you guys two ways how to do this. One is going to be for TikTok if you want to post it on their platform, and then the other one is going to be if you want to use it for other social media platforms and not have that annoying TikTok watermark. This is Brady with InVideo, and if you are new to this channel, we create daily tutorials around different social media trends, also giving you video creation tips and tricks for creators and marketers. If this sounds useful, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell, and let's get started. In order to do this trend, we're going to need three things. We're going to need a video in the beginning of this trend that's going to be 6 seconds long. You want to make sure that the video is long enough. Then you want 8 images that we're going to be doing the awesome 3D effect with. And then you want to go on your phone and download the app CapCut. So once you have your assets ready and you have the app downloaded, you just want to go ahead and go to the app, click it. It is then going to bring you into here. You can see that I already have a couple of different templates here, but you just want to go up to the top, hit new project, and then it's going to ask you to import the things you're going to be using. This is where you import the video you want to use and then your photos. Also, you want to make sure that you're doing these in order. You will see that it says 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this is just going to make it a lot easier when you import it so you don't have to move it around. 9 total items. So when you see it says 9 in the bottom right, you're ready to go. And you just want to click add, and it's going to load them into the editor. Simply click on the image that you want to edit. You want to scroll over to the side. You will see this style button. Click style, and then you'll see 3D zoom right next to baby face. And when you click that, you will see that it actually does do the 3D zoom effect. Now you want to go through and actually do this for all the images before we shorten them. So now that the 3D animation has gone through, I'm just going to go through each and every photo and put it 2.5, and that is going to make that beautiful cuts on every single beat. It's going to look really nice when it's done. And I'm just going to keep doing this for all the other images. It just looks super clean all around, and just like that, you are completely done with the trend. You want to go up to the top right and you want to click this export button. The video is going to be exported, and then you can go ahead and save it to your device. So the best way to actually upload this on TikTok is simply go to the sound that we were talking about, click use this sound, then you want to go ahead and click upload, and you want to actually upload the video clip you're going to be using. You want to click next, and then just click next again. And what you want to do to actually make sure everything's synced up is you want to go to sounds, go to volume, and you want to turn down the original sound, and that's just going to leave the awesome TikTok sound. This is so you actually do rank on the original sound, and then all you have to do is add the caption, and your post is completely done. You will see that even the audio syncs up. Everything looks good, and that is the best way to upload it on TikTok. Now, the only problem with using the TikTok method is that Instagram has talked about in an article that it says that the algorithm will not be promoting reels that have the TikTok watermark, and other social media platforms could do this, so that is the one bad thing about going through TikTok. So now I'm going to show you the easier way to do this. You want to go ahead in the link in the description, click that link, you're going to be brought to this screen. This is just the template, but before we get started, you want to go up to the top right, click sign up, enter your name, email, and password, and then we're ready to get started. Now we want to just go ahead and click use this template. This is going to bring us into the InVideo editor, and we're going to break this down very easily. One of the best reasons to do this trend using this method is the fact that the audio track already comes built in with the template, and the scenes are perfectly synced to the beats, so all you have to do is replace the text and the media without changing anything else. The first thing you want to do is simply drag and drop the video file that we have just made on CapCut. This is going to import automatically, and you can see that there is 2 scenes here. The one scene is of the video, and then the next scene is going to be of your awesome 3D images. So to actually make these line up, it's super simple. You want to simply drag and drop your video on here, hit replace. This is then going to bring up this trim menu. You want to hit trim video to hit scene. This is going to perfectly cut out right before your images come in. Then you want to go ahead and hit done. Once you hit done, you will see that when we go ahead and hit play on this, everything is lined up. And then for the second scene, you want to go ahead and drag the exact same video clip on to the canvas, hit replace, and then this time you want to actually make it so you drag it until your pictures come up. So right about here is where my first image comes up, and then you want to go ahead and hit done, and you'll see just like that when I actually play everything back through, it is just like that. Now to actually get rid of the background audio, just like we did on TikTok, you want to actually click on the scene, go to the layers on the right side of the screen, click it, top of the screen says volume, you want to turn that all the way down. for both scenes, therefore it actually will not interfere with the background audio. You can even do awesome things like just putting a voiceover, so automated text to speech. Feel free to type your thing here. If you're doing it for a brand or business, you can be like, look at these awesome pictures I took of my brand, and then all you have to do is hit generate voiceover, and you can simply put some text in there and line it up. But if you don't want to do that and you are finished with the trend, you want to go up to the top right, click download and share, go ahead and click that export button. Your video will start rendering. Once it is finished exporting, all you have to do is click download, and then it is ready to go on any social media platform without that TikTok watermark. I'm going to be showing you guys 2 ways that I have used this trend for a brand or a business. I did this all using CapCut and then putting it through InVideo. So we're going to be looking at the first one, which I already gave you guys a little snippet preview of. It's just me giving a thumbs up, and then the next pictures are pictures of burgers. This is great for a restaurant style or anything. They don't all have to be burgers, obviously, but just a great way to showcase your products or food for your business. And then this next one is arguably the best way to use this trend for a brand, and that is a fashion brand. So I have that same default video. Obviously, you're not going to want to use that kind of video for this, but it worked. And then these are just going to be fashion pieces. Not only do these look super cool using the 3D trend, but it really sticks out, and you can obviously display your awesome products. I mean, just look how well this turned out with stock images. Imagine what you could do with actually planned images of your products. If you guys did find this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out this playlist where we go over TikTok and Instagram Reel trends with their ready to use templates. This has been Brady with InVideo. I'll catch you guys in the next one.